Welcome to day 2 of our Madrid trip. So, where we're going today is Toledo and Segovia, both ancient and historic cities. We're going to find out why that is. We're going to find out the history behind them and what makes them ancient and historic, hopefully. So, let's go to the metro and find our way to the tour place. Let's go. Hola. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hola.
Vamos a ver cuando mucha gente suele empezar a cargar antes. Son 45, se quedan 40. Si queréis visitar la catedral, vamos a terminar delante. Pero si queréis pasar a rezar a la catedral...
Gracias. Gracias. Ciao. Thank you. Let's go. Where are we going? Over there. Somewhere in there is an Egyptian temple gifted by the Egyptian government to Spain. And we will go find it. Judging by the number of people, I would say we have found it. So we're back at the Airbnb. I've prepared for us some dinner, hamburgers with cake and protein pudding for dessert. But I just wanted to wrap up the video, or at least the day today, and say that we learned a lot about both Toledo and Segovia. Both really incredible places to visit, and we would highly encourage you to go and visit if you are in Spain, particularly Madrid. For me personally, I think my favorite part was the aqueduct in Segovia. Just seeing that so close and like touching it was quite surreal as well, considering it's been there for about 2,000 years. So at least that's what I remember. So yeah, that was a really cool experience. Highly recommend it. We learned a lot. Not gonna share too much of the details with you because you can come here and find that information for yourselves and experience it like we did. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Lana, what was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part. I really like it. Toledo, the cathedral. It was very nice.
Yeah, I don't know if it will come across in the videos, but it was huge, like really, really tall.
Yeah.
And like you can see it from the first viewpoint we had, just how tall it is. So yeah, definitely come here and experience it for yourselves to see what it was like. Thanks for watching.
Just let the lights away, let it go. The lights away,